Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to YSFalls, Jamaica in St. Elizabeth. So guys, we are on our way to YSFalls, and this is the gutter strip. If you are from St. Elizabeth, then you know gutters. So guys, this is in gutters. If you were gonna go to Mandeville, you would have turned right, and if you were gonna go like where we are going today, Santa Cruz, if you wanna go there that way to Wyatt Falls, you're turning left. So, guys, if you're not from St. Elizabeth, this is Gutters, and that's the gas station where you can get your petrol when you're passing here. So, we're just on our way to Santa Cruz to go on to Wyatt Falls. So, guys, these are just little clips that I'm showing you while we were on our way to Wyatt Falls. And this is Santa Cruz town. So Santa Cruz town is, a town like you go to buy like supermarket. It's basically like Mandeville town or Junction town. And I think this is bigger than Junction town and it's always hot in Santa Cruz. People always say, "Oh, Santa Cruz coming like hell." People say that all the time because apparently it's always hot, but it's true, it's hot all the time. So guys, this is just basically the town is not very, very big. And just as I said, you can go here to buy your stuff. And as you can see where the umbrellas are, that is Santa Cruz Market. So you can go to the market and get your ground provision and whatever you would like. So guys, as I said, it's not a big town and we are about to go out of Santa Cruz town down to Halembambo we are going now. So guys, I'm gonna show you the beautiful Halembambo just a little bit after Santa Cruz. When you leave Santa Cruz and you go down to La Covia, then we get to Halembambo. And now this is Halembambo. So guys, Halembambo is like a tourist attraction. Like most people that pass Halembambo, they always stop and take a picture or a few and stuff. I did that myself, and the bamboos are very green and beautiful. But however, the road needs to be fixed. And as you can see, we're driving very fast on this road, and this road needs to be fixed by the Prime Minister. Like Jamaican Prime Minister need to do something about this, man. Like seriously, like fix up the road, man. Like it's a tourist attraction and thing, and it would make it more beautiful because this is such a beautiful scenery in Jamaica. The Highland bamboo, the way it's shape and everything, it's just breathtaking. So just make the road a little bit better, and it will be 100% great. And you do have people that sell in the Highland bamboo like jelly, castor oil, Jamaican honey, and so on and so forth. So it's a little tourist attraction as well. So doing the road will be good for everyone in Jamaica, especially people that use this road daily. I can imagine, wow, this car suspension must be crying. I don't know much about car, but yeah, this is us and that strip to YSFalls. So guys, we're like a minute or so, or even less than a minute, because look, we are in YSFalls. So guys, we are going to park up now, and then I will take you on this little adventure with us to see what YSFalls, St. Jamaica in St. Elizabeth, what it's like. I really love it, and it is so beautiful. So stay
So
tuned.
guys, this is YS Falls and we're gonna go up there today. I'm gonna show you what it's like. It's very beautiful. I haven't been there in a long time. The last time I came to Jamaica I didn't go. It's been some good years now. Yeah, since I have been there. Wow. And the sun is like extremely hot. There you go, YS Falls. Hi. Fine, thank you.
How many of you? Four and two kids. All right. So do you still? So get the tickets, ma'am.
So, guys, we are buying the tickets now to go up to the falls, and the ticket price are different. If you are a Jamaican citizen resident, you will pay a cheaper price, and if you are not a Jamaican citizen, you're gonna pay a tourist price. And for me, I had to pay a tourist price because I didn't have my Jamaican passport or nothing, and I was a bit annoyed, but it was alright.
That's the bus that we're gonna take to go up by the. Yeah, we have to get on the bus to go up there. Yeah, so guys, we are going on the bus now. Ooh.
I was wondering if you could manage that I was gonna get a beer. When I see you spread that all over your meat, I say, oh my God, pass them on down, please. I was good though. Pass them on going up to the top.
So, guys, this is how we go up to the falls. They go on the bus and they're gonna drive them all the way up the hill.
Seats are at the back, more seats are at the back. And you're just seeing the seats over there.
It's really a nice falls, you know, but they said the water up top is brown because of the rain. So we're gonna go up there and see what it's like. Now see the bus is going. They're going to the falls. Come Zaria, we're going on the bus now. This is our bus. This is the bus we are going on. We are going on the bus. Sorry, Clint.
I have the tickets here.
It's hot. Ooh, it's super hot in here. That's where we're gonna drive to go up by the falls. Oh, it's really hot. It's like bacon. I feel like I'm in our oven. This is we going to the falls now.
Coming up to the jungle.
So we are almost up to the top where the falls is, and as you can see, look at the water there. That's the sign to say that yeah, we are close to the falls. We are getting there, and this is just a good bit of driving, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. No, I don't think it's 10 minutes drive from down there to up here, but I would say between 5 and 10 That's the amount of time it took us to drive from the bottom to the top, because it's actually up in the hills, and you could not walk this way because you would have been so tired because it's a lot of hills. And as you can see, the cows there, like, look at the cows. That is so good to be driving past cows like this, because it would not get me even walk past them on a good or a bad day. But yeah, look at the trees, how green they are. And they're so big as well. And I just love the way it look. Like the scenery is just breathtaking. I love these things. And we stopped, so the guy is gonna open the gate so that we can go through. And once we get through this gate, it's an indication to know that we are actually near, close to the falls. So you can see from where we are that we are actually at the top. And this is just a little bridge where the water that is coming from the falls, that's the water there running down. And I'm thinking, like, where does this water run to? Like, I know it comes from the falls, but it runs here, but I don't know where it runs to. But that's another story. But look at the beauty of YSFalls. We are up the top now. So I'm about to show you the beauty of YSFalls. So stay right there. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, we're at the falls now, and the water is really brown because it's been raining. That's what happened. When it rains, the water get really brown. So guys, this is YS Falls, Jamaica. It's beautiful down here. It is really, 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 really beautiful. Welcome to Little Bit of Paradise. Look at that. Down here, pretty, don't do it. Yeah, that pool is always blue. Yeah. Actually, it's been raining. Beautiful. Ooh, look at the zip line there. Wow, it's beautiful. Here there. Whoa, father. Zip line. Look at the zip line. Look. That's you. Beautiful, crazy. Father, you are great and marvelous, Messiah. Look at your creation. So great. So guys, that's the falls. Well, it's brown today because it's been raining. Look at the zip line. Look at the zip line. Look at the water. Beautiful. Yeah, it's a zip line. Look at the beauty of this, guys. Imagine when it's blue. It's because it's been raining. That's why the water is so brown.
Good luck.
Sorry.
I'm not going there. But I don't care. You know why you're funny?
That's where the water is coming from up there. So guys, this is YSFalls, and I'm gonna show you guys more of this. And it goes all the way down there. See? So guys, this is me at YSFalls. It is so beautiful down here. Even though the water, it is so brown because the rain been falling. But on a good day when the rain is not falling, it's really beautiful. But unfortunately, every time I come down here, it's this color. Last time, it was browner than this though. It's not that brown as it was last time, but it's good. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is YSFalls, Jamaica. The water is coming from all the way up there. And the way the stones are aligned, like, wow, this is so great. See, we're in the water over there. You see that? Boy, this water have a lot of current. Look how rough that is. Look. Wow. It's really nice out here. Like, look at that. So beautiful. It is beautiful down here, like seriously beautiful. Like Jamaica is paradise. Paradise. It's really beautiful down here. Guys, these are chairs that you can sit down on, or they call them bench. A bench, we call them a Jamaica, we call them a bench. You can sit here and eat, but you know, it's been raining, so I think they're quite wet. But it's so beautiful down here. It's very relaxing. It's a nice place to come and relax with your family. So guys, this is the pool area where you can just come and chill, and kids can go in there as well because it's quite shallow right here. Yeah, and I think out there is a bit deeper, out in the middle bit, but it's just so beautiful, like super beautiful. These are the kind of stuff that I love to do with nature. I'm one with nature. Beautiful. What? There's some people going back down. I guess they have enjoyed it and they're gone. They're going back now. This is a craft shop down here. Sell Jamaican stuff.
But like, you know, was being an aeroplane, nobody like,
And this is where we are going to get some food to eat. And there's another pool over here. It is so beautiful, guys. Like, seriously beautiful. So when you come to Jamaica, you can visit YSFalls. It is really beautiful. It is so beautiful. I can't stop saying the word beautiful because it is relaxing. It's great for families as well. That's what I love about it. That's the other pool area right over there. And that's where you sit down to eat. Really? Oh, look, there's more food down there. Hello. There's the pool area.
It'd be too hot in here. Way too hot in this one.
So beautiful. Look, I'm eating rice and peas and fish in YSFalls, and it's a lot as well. It tastes good. Escobar? No, escovitch. Hot.
I see that, you know, and I outside.
The fish is not spicy enough to eat the garnish.
Go ahead. Eat, darling, eat. You can't eat your toy.
So they're done eating now and taking a quick picture for memories.
So guys, we are going back down. We're leaving all of this beauty here. Then we're going back down. Guys, look at that. Beautiful. You should definitely visit YSFalls when you come to Jamaica. It's beautiful down here. Look at the coast. Where did that car come from? we're not going to be able to see the water no more. We are just going down to the bottom. Just going to see green lines now. It's so beautiful. Yeah guys, we reach at the bottom now. That was a lovely day at YSFalls. So guys, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to Tam Tam Kitchens. That was me at YSFalls and I did really enjoy it. So stay tuned for my next video.